Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you the Dash USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Guys, main targets still in play. If I repeat again, if the Dash will repeat the success of Zcash, we can see the 670. The craziest scenario is 1K. Is it possible? Yes, of course. So from current prices, for example, from even 54 to reach the 0.5 level by FIP of global FIP, what I showed you before, it's 1,600% gains. More positive, it's 1K from current prices, and from the bottom, it's going to be the insane rally over then around 3,000% gains. So this is it, guys. I don't think so we will reach the new all-time high like many people share it. Now we bounce it. So the Dash, once again, the token lay down at the bottom, nobody care about it. Just the token performed 20%, everybody start browsing. Wow, what's going on? Guys, just watch the first videos what I posted in Zone 23, Zone 24, and you will know all zones. Now let's find the local zones for a correction. If you mess up the rally, and local zone for fixation profit and for potential open short. Also, we are in the global accumulation zone on the spot. So if you believe in the Dash token, if you believe in the old Dina token, you can accumulate between the $151, $38, build the average entry for 100% profit. You withdraw the initial deposit and sleep well. After that, you just track the profit. So locally, guys, I think we can see or pull back down based on CPI data today and unemployment rates this week, and the situation between the United States and Iran. So unfortunately, guys, a lot of geopolitics and the macro now affect the markets. So all eyes now on the Trump and what he gonna say. But technically, we just hold the line at 0.23 and not close this gap on the daily, this one. Weekly time frame, we also not close the 50% of this gap, but I don't think so. We will drop again to the 23. If we will drop to 23, I will try to open a futures trade. If we check the local FIP, what I showed you here, it's from Zone 21. We are also inside the accumulation zone from Zone 21. So the previous FIP, it was the global one from the top of Zone 17. Now it's Zone 21. So 44 and 11. 22, 25, it's personal for me, can be the position to open futures trades. Now, if you want to buy and open futures trades, we have to retest, I guess, in the next day. First of all, we have to break the structure, this one, retest and go higher. So if we want to talk about a upside move, the realistic upside move, everyone who traded, in a classic downtrend lines, people draw like this one, it was a breakout, touch, breakout and go higher, but we just go on the right side. That's why, guys, all of these trend lines work after the fact. I think we will go and sweep this high. So this is going to be the sweep of liquidity and the break of structure on the 12-time frame at least. So the target can be like 72 and even 80, maybe 90. After that we can retest, and yes, if we confirm the break of structure, yes, we can see the continuation of the rally. So now all eyes on this liquidity pool around $71. Got it. Let's hide the FIP and double check what's going on locally. Here with indicators, ADZ direction, guys. It's around the distribution, but not a sell, not a crazy sell. Daily, not even close to the sell. So, guys, take a look here. It was a divergence, sell, drop. Now we pump it at 54. We just trying to pass the middle line, so it's not a time to sell. The market's smooth, guys. Now after the Aphria, what we saw while the Zcash performed and some other tokens also performed from 150 around from Aphria zone, we crashed it down to capitulation. Now it's a positive. So the same story with a positive was here before the upside move. It was September. So at that time we traded at 23 and performed to 150. Now we traded to 54 and we can move way higher. 12-hour time frame, it's kind of like aphasia. So, but we can trade long-term period in aphasia. So be ready to fix profit step by step. If we double check, guys, on the weekly time frame, the EMAs, we already passed it and tested all of this EMA on the weekly. Next step, it's can be there is no data for 200 EMA in the monthly, but I guess on the crypto, also not enough data for 200 EMA yet. All right. Let's go to the weekly. So now about EMA, there is no target because on a monthly, because all of them pass it. So now it's only about a structure. So we break the structure on a weekly from December 24, and we have to go to the next levels here: 246, 281, and 477, and 600, like end of cycle for this token can be. Also, if you're not sure, just how recommended, just use inverse scale. So this liquidity pool. So we're gonna hunt the liquidity. It's just a matter of time when. Of course, guys, if this token will still exist and everything will be okay with the dash. Money power on weekly, no signals to sell. Nice one. Monthly, we at the top, but without any signals of money outflow. Previously, we saw the June 75 money RSI bullish divergence, October 74 bullish divergence. Daily. Money in was the day before, 2 days before. Kind of interesting, right? So congrats if you track it, because I'm not a trader. The dash, if we talk about a Dino token, I'm in IOTA and EOS. So maybe I am bet on the wrong tokens, but I guess the IOTA will perform pretty good one. So the dash now, it's no money in, no money outflow. So neutral. So we pump it, but we just tested a middle. So add alert to the money outflow. So it's going to be the local daily zone of fixation. And I guess it's going to be around 80 or 92. So this is going to be the zone of fixation. Trade on, sell, buy back. We didn't see the signal take profit. Let's add alert, guys, to take profit. So close all short position. 12 time frame here, buy, recommendation close position, take profit. Soon we will see the sell signal. That's why, guys, I think, or we go down from current prices, but I'm more about the continuation, sweep this liquidity pool, retest, and we will see the signals to sell. So if you want to open short, just add alert to a 12 time frame and track it. 4 time frame, still no signals to take sell. Take profit already, we passed it. Here, 12 time frame, the reward is open to the test of take profit line 57.64, exit line 65.20, and we can go higher. A buy line retest is 28. This is what I told you before, and 21.81. A daily take profit line, it's 73. It's exactly this liquidity pool. We can test and go to the exit line. So mark the level 72, 76, but lines are dynamic, guys. So better add alerts to the line 82, 28. So this is it. Weekly, we just try to break the exit line again. And the monthly here. So the reward can be open to this one 103.56, exit line 117. So this is it, guys. Locally, for pullback, I'm just wait only if we're gonna retest the buy line. But now, of course, it's more bullish because the price closer to the take profit and the exit line to grab this liquidity pool. So at 71, at the 80, maybe I will try look in some short position, but I'm not sure. I'm better wait the take profit line, and only after that, take some decision to open short, local, just a local short position. Guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.